Let's talk about dragon's blood, the highest antioxidant rating on the planet, almost 3 million ORAC rating, one of the most healing agents that you can find. I'll talk about dosage and everything towards the end of the video. Check it out.
Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist. Get healthy now.
Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here. Today I want to talk about dragon's blood, an amazing, powerful, the most powerful antioxidant on the planet. Almost a 3 million rating antioxidant, ORAC antioxidants, 2,890 something, almost 3 million. It's just amazing. Grows all over the world: Canary Islands, Peru, Ecuador, Bolivia, Mexico, Colombia, Arabia, Asia, Africa, all over. But before I get into what it does, if you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe. Please tell other people. And please watch those little ads at the beginning. They bring some money our way. We appreciate that in a great way. Also, get a copy of my new book, Live a Cancer-Free Life. You know, a couple people actually have gone into remission reading my book and following it. And that's one wasn't made for that. Actually, to prevent cancer, and there's 600,000 people in the United States that will die of cancer this year. So let's not allow that to happen. It's not that hard to make a big change in that cancer number. We can do it. There's no doubt about it. So get a copy of my book. It has a 5-star rating on Amazon. So just Google Live a Cancer-Free Life and it will come up. Well, dragon's blood is amazing stuff. Lots of antioxidants. Like I said, almost a 3 million rating on ORAC antioxidant rating. And there's nothing like it. Flavonoids, polyphenols, like in green tea, all kinds of things that help to keep away the doctor. There's no doubt about that. Also, been used for thousands of years in Chinese medicine. It helps with pain. Indigenous people in Brazil have been using it for pain, and new studies are also bearing this out too. Also great for wound healing. There was 60 people. They actually did a study where they actually significantly shortened the wound healing on 60 different people and got rid of their inflammation also. It's antibacterial, really great. Got rid of E. coli, salmonella. It contains a CH2CI12 agent, which actually kills the bacteria. So very, very interesting. Also very antifungal and will help to get rid of all kinds of things. They also make soaps out of it too. So if you have, you know, some kind of fungal infection, you can use it that way. Also great for candida, so you can help that way too orally. Also antiviral agent, a very powerful antiviral when we need that these days. I would not take this all the time just because it's so powerful. I would reserve this for when you really, really need it, you know, type of thing. It also increases blood flow to the brain, helps with Alzheimer's and Parkinson's and Huntington's disease, all kinds of things. Stops bleeding, and if you have a cut or a huge cut or something, you put it on there and it'll stop the bleeding. It's also antibacterial, really good. Also helps with herpes 1, 2 breakouts if you use it before the onset of the actual lesion happening there. So that's really great too. Also very healing for gut issues in general. I mean, amazing. Really good for Crohn's disease and irritable bowel syndrome and colitis and all kinds of problems like that. It lowers fever like aspirin, really does a great job of that. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory, you know, it really can get rid of inflammation in your body. I don't take this too often because it's so powerful, but I do take it once in a great while. Also helps with receding gums and that type of thing. So they use it in some types of commercial toothpaste also. So very interesting. Also, new study shows that it might be a wonderful natural food preservative because it kills bacteria and has no side effects to it. Also used in other things. It's used as a coloring for paint. It's used in incense, like I said, commercial toothpaste and fabric dye, all kinds of things. A natural fabric dye also. Helps with diarrhea in an amazing way. The research with phytotherapy actually showed that the sap was great for getting rid of diarrhea, and it worked extremely well. And really, people didn't end up with constipation or secondary effects with it too. A study in the Journal of Gastroenterology with 184 people showed that it really did a great job of getting rid of diarrhea. So, wow. If you have some mega diarrhea, this might be what you need. Also helps to kill H. pylori, you know, the stomach bacteria that really causes problems with having ulcers. So it really does a great job. It has about 22 different agents in it that actually work together to help get rid of the bacteria itself. But that bacteria is supposed to be in your GI tract, so it's just not supposed to be taking over. Also, it's great anti-aging skincare. I mean, a lot of creams and soaps and oils and that type of thing. It really does a great job of getting rid of inflammation. It's very protective and rejuvenating for the skin in general. Also, it helps to produce more collagen in the skin, so you get rid of the wrinkles and all the lines and that type of thing. Also great for acne. You know, this is kind of an amazing thing. If you have one of those acne problems, first of all, get a hold of me. We can make a big change in that. Also great for burns and inflammation of the burns and superficial or deep burns also. Also increases moisture to the skin, so you look younger, so that's great. Also helps with topically for hemorrhoids, external hemorrhoids. If you apply it, 2 or 3 times a day with a damp cloth, that will work really great. Also, some people say it boosts up hormones. Some of the bodybuilders use it. We don't have research to verify that at all, but some people swear by it. So we'll have to see what happens with that. Also, very anti-cancer. It helps you actually stop the tumor growth and that type of thing. And inhibit colon and skin cancer cells also. It can get it in all kinds of different forms, and powders and resins and soaps and extracts and oils and capsules, and really great stuff, I have to say. Dosage, a 4-to-1 extract, which is about 450 milligrams. You want to take it 1 to 3 times a day for no more than 7 to 10 days, and take a week off or longer, and then repeat it if needed. And it's not for those who are pregnant, nursing, or small children. It's just a mega antioxidant. I don't think it's a good idea. You take it, especially for kids. Also, brands I like, you can find it on Amazon and eBay. There's one called TerraVita, which is great. Another one, which comes right from the rainforest, is Rainforest Pharmacy Sangra de Drago. Sangra, like that's in Spanish means actually blood of the dragon. Sangra de Drago. Also, cost is anywhere from 60 capsules at 200 milligrams, anywhere from $20 to $40, depending on which ones you're going to buy. So it's really cost effective. There's no doubt about that. And like I said, there's really no side effects of this that we can see so far. It's safe for adults taken by mouth for the most part, but not for small children, nursing, or pregnant people. Also, 7 to 10 days. I'll say that over and over again. 7 to 10 days. This is powerful stuff. So use it, when you really, really, really need it. If you want to get a hold of me, if you want to do a consultation, I highly recommend that we get rid of your chronic disease. Call me to 831-869-9119. 831-869-9119. And let's stop your, H. pylori. Let's stop your Crohn's disease. Let's stop your, all kinds of different diseases, your diabetes, all kinds of problems. So if you have a chronic disease, get a hold of me, and let's make this a priority to get healthy now. So have a great day. Remember God, and remember, I love you.